Hi, this is Sharad. Today we are going to talk about why foreclosures won't impact the housing market over next couple of years. With the strength of the current housing market growing every day and more Americans returning to work, a faster than expected recovery in the housing sector is already well underway. Regardless, many are still asking the question, will we see a wave of foreclosures as a result of the current crisis? Thankfully, research shows the number of foreclosures is expected to be much lower than what this country experienced during the last recession. And here is why. According to Black Knight Inc., the number of those in active forbearance has been leveling off over the past month. Many homeowners have once again started to pay their mortgages, paid off their homes, or never went delinquent on their payment in the first place. According to John Burns Consulting, over 42% of homes are owned free and clear, meaning they are not tied to a mortgage. While Atom Data Solutions indicate that there is a potential for the number of foreclosures to increase throughout the country, it's important to understand why they won't rock the housing market this time around. Today's active quarterly foreclosure number is about 75,000. That's over 7.5x lower than the number of foreclosures the country saw at the peak of the housing crash in 2009. When looking at this graph, it's clear that even if the numbers of quarterly foreclosures today doubles, as Atom Data Solutions indicates is a possibility, they will only reach what historically speaking is a normalized range, far below than what ended up in the housing market roughly 10 years ago. As Odeta Kushi, chief economist of First American, notes, a loan, economic hardship, and a lack of equity are each necessary but not sufficient to trigger a foreclosure. It is only when both conditions exist that foreclosure becomes a likely outcome. While our hearts are with anyone who may end up in foreclosure as a result of this crisis, we do know that today homeowners have more options than they did 10 years ago. For some, it may mean selling their house and downsizing with that equity, which is a far better outcome than a foreclosure. Bottom line, homeowners today have many options to avoid foreclosure, and equity is surely helping to keep many afloat. Even if today's rate of foreclosure doubles, it will still only hit a mark that is more in line with a historically normalized range, a very good sign for homeowners and the housing market. If you are in a foreclosure situation or even thinking of taking advantage of the current housing market to sell your home, please reach out to our team at the below number for a free personalized strategy.